Happy learning, friends. I would like to introduce you to a wonderful digital tool that I like to use in my classroom. I am a pre kindergarten teacher, so technology that we use has to be consistent, it has to be engaging, and it has to be something that my little friends are able to navigate, sometimes without the help of parents or teachers. And Brain Pop Junior is one that I really love. um, Brain Pop produces animated curriculum based content, and it aids to not only help the student but also the educators with a variety of subjects. The site features free lesson plans, video tutorials, professional development tools, and forums, and many other things. I really like Brain Pop Junior because it is actually designed for pre-K through third grade. Again, this requires a subscription, but it is well worth it. So let's take a look at the website. This is Brain Pop Junior. I'm logged in, and so in my class this week we'll be talking about science, and we will be looking at habitats. And as you can see that there is animals, plants, matter, energy, weather, all types of subjects that you can get into. So we're going to take a look at habitats. And so even here, it even breaks it down into different types of habitats. And so let's take a look at Arctic habitats. Each subject comes with a video that the children love because it's engaging, it's short, but it allows you to get information all about habitats. And after you've actually watched the video, there is an opportunity to take a quiz. As you can see, you can do some wordplay with it. There's a joke you can have for a little bit of fun. You can draw about it and write about it. So there are so many activities that provide extension also for whatever learning objectives or lesson plans or units that you may be working on. I'm going to go back out. We were in science. I'll go back to the main page so that we can take a look at some other things. So let's look at math. Even in math, as you see, there are a wide variety of skills that there are activities for. As you see, time, geometry, money, all things that you can use with resources that you can use inside your classroom. At the bottom, you see Game Up, and also free items that you can print and that could be used inside your classroom. I think this is a really great age appropriate and developmentally appropriate learning tool. And again, it's used across preschool through lower school, which is fourth grade at my particular school, and we love this resource. And there are immeasurable things that you can use and different tools that are provided here. So I hope that this is something that you might be interested in. Again, this is Brain Pop Junior. Thank you.